we go.
Could we please ask you a favour?
Now currently only 25% of our viewers are subscribing.
We would absolutely love to get this to 50%.
It's free to subscribe and it makes such a difference to us.
If you enjoy watching our videos, please just hit the subscribe button and it will do us such a good favour.
And it'll really make our channel grow. Keep on that car coming out. We've got a garden centre on the left here, and it tends to be sort of maybe people whose reaction times to go to driving garden centres, the reaction times are a little bit slower than the average person. Trying to be polite. So a little bit careful. They've given us a nice new road surface, makes a nice change to the potholes. This is lovely. So it's up from A6, so we got through the Langtons, a series of villages with different names: Tur Langton, East Langton, Church Langton. So the first village is Church Langton. Got a little bit of traffic in front of me, it's a bit annoying, but I'm sure we can do something about that. And if you like a nice pub, the pub here in Church Langton is quite nice. So if you're going biking, it's not a bad place to drop in. We'll see, we obey the 30s going to the village, that's what we do. Yeah, nice little pub here, Langton Arms. Then we go through to the next Langton, which is Tur Langton. Okay. Church Langton turns into Tur Langton. Nice pub down the left there, another church down there. It's a beautiful part of the country. A bit foggy today, so it's not shown at its best. Oops. I was doing 30. Nonsense. We do. If it's got a red ring around the outside of a number, we obey it. Absolutely. Then we go through there. Coming through here, little mirror check, fine, off we go. Now a lot of this film will be speeded up just because we've got to fit it all in, so it might look like we're going faster than 50, I'm not. I'm just obeying the speed limits, of course. Otherwise it'll be a very long film, so sometimes we speed up, sometimes we edit bits out. But we try to keep most of the journey in just to show what a lovely ride we have around here in Leicestershire. Now, since I did my IAM course, I'm a lot more confident to use the front brake later. Still braking on the straight, attempting to avoid what's called brake gear overlap where, you know, so we've left the Langtons and we're heading north. Into a little place called Three Gates. Hello. I guess we're a little bit careful through here because people are pulling out all over the place. Going to come to the left here to get some more observation. Take up position number 1. Wait for it to open up a little bit. Wait for it to open up a little bit. And there we go. There we just took the left position, opened up the road going around to the right. A little better observations there. So 3 gates, which is like 3 cars pulling out in front of me nearly, maybe 2. A bit of wood in the road, a bit of debris, keep an eye on there. Always a bit dangerous if I went through that, being a bit nasty. Just hold it over to the right. And it comes down to like the world's smallest village here called New Inn, which is basically about one house. A bit more debris on the floor there. So a little Honda 650, 4 cylinders, it likes to go up the revs a bit, so we'll drop the gear down in a moment. They're slowing down for no reason. Slowing down for that junction there. A bit of defensive riding. This is all the skills we've taken off the driving lessons, the advanced stuff we do, defensive driving. We just apply it to the motorbikes. Looking ahead here, there's just a junction on the left, so keep an eye on it. Looking across, anything coming across to the far left? No, we're fine. Coming across to take the slightly wider position. Careful with the lay-by, because anyone's pulling out, they're not going to go very fast. So all the clues are there, we just use the clues to ride defensively. We just ride in a manner that some people don't do things correctly. And it's not saying everyone's an idiot, that's really offensive to people, but everyone's capable of doing something a bit not to standard, so we just look out for that and ride in a manner to allow for that as best as we can. So there we go, that's the end of the first journey. We've got to this bit, we're going to go staggering it across the road and head towards Melton Mowbray.
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.